clear my head, I go inside the forest. When I want some fresh air, I go out in the nature. Sometimes I'll meet someone there who stinks disgusting perfume. It's hard 'cause I'm allergic like hell, and they always use a whole bottle. But the nature has another smell, and I have no problems with that. I can smell shit from humans or animals, doesn't bother me at all. It's a natural smell I'm used to. It don't make my eyes cry, it don't make my throat swell. I prefer shit instead of perfume anytime. The smell of new fresh hay takes me back to my childhood. I have lived in the country all my life, that life I know so well. I had much freedom as a child, it was then I discovered nature. I worked much by myself, and I had a huge imagination. I still take a stroll now and then on paths I walked on before. Memories comes back to me, and I get new ones along the way. I wish more people could see the things that I have seen, but they don't always see the forest, they only sees the tree. I see and feel so much that I don't see in a big city, where everything goes by so fast. It's more peaceful in the forest. It's there I find my peace, it's there I find my inspiration. It's there I reload my battery, it's all there in the nature. Sometimes I pack a bag if I should stay there all day. I take with me coffee and cookies, and nature provides me with the rest.